Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix file access error on Epic Games using your PC. Let's get started. Open the Epic Game Launcher on your PC and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, go to Library, find the game showing the error, click the three dot next to the game and select Manage. After that, here you can see option that says Verified Files. Click on that. The launcher will scan your game's files and automatically fix missing or extra files. If verifying doesn't fix the problem, close the Epic Game Launcher, reopen the launcher and try updating or launching the game again. Make sure your game isn't blocked by antivirus or firewall. Sometimes security software flags certain game files and causes error. Allow Epic Games and the specific game through your antivirus and firewall. Check for sufficient disk space. The error can appear if your drive is almost full. Free up space on the drive where the game is installed and try again. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.